You're measuring the wrong thing, and it's quietly killing you. You count leads, you feel good when the lead number goes up, but leads don't pay you. Let me say that again. Leads don't pay you. Booked appointments pay you. Closed jobs pay you. A guy sitting on 10 leads with 0 of them booked is broke and busy at the same time, which is the worst place to be. Meanwhile, a guy with 3 leads and all 3 booked is having a great week. The number that actually matters is how many of those leads turn into something sitting on your calendar with a name and a time. That's the real scoreboard. If that number is low, throwing more leads on top doesn't help you. It just gives you more people to lose, more names to chase, more voicemails to leave. So watch the calendar, not the lead count. The calendar is where the money shows up or quietly disappears. Everything before the calendar is just noise you're paying for.